Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you read the title and I'm going to do a carry-on video. What's in my carry-on tote bag specifically. So generally when I travel, a lot of times I normally have this backpack that I recently bought last year. But this travel I decided that I don't want to carry a backpack, number one. I'll explain in a few minutes why. And I just wanted to just kind of be minimalistic be a minimalist this go around as far as my carry-on is concerned. My suitcase I'm not carrying on with me. It's going under the plane. It's always, first and foremost, the bag that I'm bringing is a bag that I just bought, like literally. But I thought it was really cute. Steve Madden has really been coming up with some nice bags these days. I know I had a purse already from Steve Madden, or maybe that's Calvin Klein, I don't know. But my backpack that I recently also bought too. I have a smaller backpack. It's really cute. It's pink. I got that from Steve Madden as well. So Steve Madden just really has been coming out with cute bags. I have to say that. But this tote bag is a St. Bart's. This also comes in Paris, I believe. I just went for the St. Bart's because it was black. And I wanted a bag that wasn't going to get too dirty. On this side, it does say Steve Madden. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says Steve Madden on this side, and then the back of this side says St. Bart's. Normally I am a book bag kind of girl when I'm going through the airport, but I said this time around I'm just going to carry a small tote. It's compact. I don't have to worry about digging through my bag. Nothing like big, like it's gold lettering. Here inside there is a zipper pocket and it says Steve Madden inside, and this is what the bag looks like. Let's get into my packing essentials, what I pack. So first things first, I guess I'll just go with my camera. I'm just picking things as I go, as I look at them. So this is the camera, my second camera. I'm currently filming on my other Canon camera. This is this camera is the the PowerShot SX740HS. This is a pretty affordable camera. And when I say pretty affordable versus like the 2,000, 3,000 cameras, I think I got this for 400 or something like that. But yeah, so I love this camera. This is the camera that I always take to vlog. My tablet, so I recently just bought a tablet as well. This is the Amazon Fire tablet. I did not want to spend too much coins. I've been saying I wanted an iPad, but I decided I'm just going to get an Amazon Fire tablet just because I do have a lot of Apple products, but I just wanted to save some coins. I just needed something that was good for me to watch things and like do like miscellaneous things. If I want to do crossword puzzles or games like that, I can easily have it accessed digitally instead of bringing books, because sometimes I do like to do, I have a crossword book and stuff like that, and I like coloring books and stuff like that. So I just got this Amazon Fire tablet. I got it in my favorite color, of course, purple. And this is what it looks like. I'll link down the actual tablet, but if you're looking for an affordable option and you don't want to spend too much coins and you just need it for like pretty much, I don't want to say everyday use, I would say like just as a basic iPad, you're not going to use it for too much like editing or any of those things, or like everyday use things. You're just going to use it for like more for like entertainment wise, then this is good. I think I spent $100 on this one. So we were talking about, I'm just going to go through all the electronics since we're talking about electronics. Next thing, so since I showed you my camera, I also have this. Now I have 2 more SDs. I just bought another SD card because I was like, most likely because I'm not going to bring my laptop, I'm going to probably need storage. So I bought another storage card. I also have one that I'm currently using right now, but after I edit this video, I'm going to clear that out so that I'll have 3 SD cards. But this is just like an SD card holder. I got this, I don't remember where I got this from, probably Amazon. But you can just put all your SDs in here so you don't lose them. So most likely I'll be using that. This is 128. I think the one I'm currently filming on is 128, and this is 128 as well. This should be more than enough to film footage for you guys, I should hope. And I don't run out of battery storage. But just to be safe, that's why I bought a 3rd one, so that I can have enough SD cards to film for you guys if I'm going to film multiple vlogs on my trip. So, electronic department, I have this. Hold on, I'm trying not to drop things. So I have this thing here pretty much it is a, try not to drop things. This is a USB charger thing. It's a multiple charging port pretty much. And I need to look to see if I can find my other one. I just purchased another one because I feel like I'm needing another one. But pretty much I have other things plugged in here. I didn't take them out. Because like sometimes I plug a portable charger, which I didn't add to the list, but that's probably most likely also something I'm taking. But I normally plug like my Apple Watch, my AirPods, and then any other miscellaneous things. So I need to actually go find my other ones. But I think I got this from Five Below. I don't even remember. But it's really good. Its last name is by Balm something. The other part of the name got taken off. Next, still electronics. I think this is by the Juby brand. Don't quote me on it. Sometimes this tripod can get a little annoying because it's so wiggly, and I've bent it, but that's really what it's supposed to be. You can bend it any shape, but this is probably the best tripod. I did recently buy a tripod, a tiny one, but the thing that I didn't realize about it, it's good for vlogging, like if you're just gonna hold it in one spot. But if you want different angles, you can't really do with that. This is why I'm bringing my tried and true tripod, because I can twist it how I want to if I'm filming stuff. That's how I get a lot of different content for you guys, different angles with this. So it never failed me, so I'm going back to it. You can get this anywhere. I believe I bought this. Yeah, I bought this in Best Buy as well. A lot of my camera things and electronics I normally get from Best Buy. So I think maybe this was $20 or something like that, or maybe $30. So this is the tripod I'm going to bring to hold my camera to film. Quickly, this is just one of my Canon chargers. This one actually came with the Canon, with my Canon camera. So of course you need your battery pack charge as well, because if your battery's dead, you can't film. So that's another thing. So I just want to show you guys what one of them looks like. I have another one that I recently bought that charges 2 at a time. Because if I only had this one, then none of my batteries would be charged. So I initially bought another one. It's currently charging now. I didn't take it out. I didn't see a need to, but I like this one. You could just place your Canon thing right in here, because you know, if you film anything, you need your chargers as well for your camera, your battery packs to use the camera, and then you need your battery charger. So I have 2 headphones that I'm taking. I was debating which headphones I want to take, but normally I'll get like Bluetooth headphones, but I decided this time I'm not going to do that. I did purchase Bluetooth headphones, but I just feel like it's not going to sustain and last for a long time, and I also don't want to carry, I want to carry smaller things and not bigger things, if that makes sense. So these are just headphones. Honestly, these are Delta headphones. I am a Delta SkyMiles member, but that's not what this video is about. But my last travel from last year, they gave me like 3 of these, because each flight I went to, they had these, and like, does anybody want headphones? And I said yes every time, because you can always use them. So I really want to take these specifically to plug into my tablet, because at least like when I'm on the flight, because my tablet does not, like, for whatever reason, it doesn't connect to anything Bluetooth. I noticed that, which is a little annoying. So it wouldn't connect to my AirPods. I tried my other Bluetooth headphones, like my over-the-head, it doesn't connect. So I'm going to bring these. I did try them. They're still in working condition, surprisingly. So I'm going to use these so that I can use that for my tablet. And then I'm going to bring my actual AirPods. I haven't been using my AirPods for a minute. I just went back to them because I feel like the sound of the AirPods is starting to like be finicky too. I don't know. I can never, I feel like, find decent headphones. But yeah, I'm just going to bring my AirPods in my AirPods case. That's just going to be for my everyday, like, if I'm going out and I don't want to have my AirPods on me. If I'm listening to something, then I have my AirPods. Always have a pack of gum. I might finish this gum, to be very honest with you. So if I do, that was on my agenda. I think I had a list. I have a list of other things that I still need to like put together before I leave. But gum, fresh breath. And you never know. You just might, your ears might pop. That happens sometimes when I'm on the plane. You have gum. So that's that. Another essential that is very important is BandAids. Now I'm not being bought these. It comes with 3 different sets. So I'll just probably take a little bit of like each, maybe 3 of each, just to have something on hand. Sometimes you don't get a cut or anything, but in the event that you do, it's always good to have something. You know what I'm saying? get a new hand sanitizer. I have like the small one, but I feel like I've just refilled it so much and it's annoying. So I'd rather just get a new bottle, like the small, you know, the small tiny ones. I could get that from Dollar Tree. I will add that as well, but this is something that I feel like everybody in my family always has one in their bags, is these wet ones. We always have our own because you never know if you need to grab it. I normally use them to wipe down the table on the airplane, to wipe my hands. Like, let's say if I don't have access to washing my hands, but normally on the airport, generally we do have access. Let's say you came out the bathroom and then you went to go buy food, or, you know, just miscellaneous things like that. I always like to have these wet ones. That's generally what I use them for. They're always good to have to clean your hands if you don't have soap and water. Alright, next, I guess I'm going to go with my wallet. I'm going to share this wallet only because this is a brand new wallet. I literally just got it today. The reason why I like it is because it's compact, and I do want to share it because a lot of the other wallets that I've had in the past, they're big, they're bulky, and if I try to wear, for example, my fanny pack and stuff like that, I normally take like, I will take like a little purse with only like 2 or 3 cards that I use every day. But I was like, I really need a small wallet that is easily compact with everything. So if I ever need something else other than those main cards. But this is the Tahari wallet. It does come with a little clip here, and then it comes with 2 sides where you can put cards, and then inside it has a thing. I will link this actually because I did not throw surprisingly, I did not throw the little card that it came with that tells the name of the actual wallet and the style of the wallet. I did just realize this. It comes with this back part. I guess this is for like scents and stuff like that. Sometimes I have an issue with scents because they fill my wallets too much, so I'm gonna try not to use this back part and use it for like maybe dollars or like something else, but just not coins, because that's always happens when I use cash. At least it just fills up, but then it makes my wallet bulky. Okay, next, what else am I missing? Oh, also something that I'm bringing is this book because I want to finish it. If you saw my if you saw my July reset, I explained that I wanted to finish at least 1 book by the end of this month. I'm actually almost done this book. I've shared this book already, the Body and Soul Food book. So that is the goal, to finish it. As you guys can see, this is all I have left. I have not picked it back up, so I want to finish that book. So this is something to do, whether like I wake up super early in the morning and I'm like bored, because that generally happens to me. I won't be surprised during my vacation if I wake up early, like 5, 6 o'clock. Like, why, I don't know. And I'm bored and I don't essentially want to be on my tablet. I can just read this book. Next, also, so let's talk about hair care really quickly. So I always have a scrunchie. Most likely I'm gonna bring the scrunchie because it's hot. It's hot now, and where I'm going to is hot. I might not bring this one exactly. I have so many of these satin scrunchies, so I'm just gonna pick whichever one, but I'm gonna make sure to pack one. This is like my go-to claw clip for braids, so I'm gonna pack this as well just in case. It's always better to be prepared than not to be prepared, to have like multiple hair accessories. So I have this, and then I also have this. I like this better because it's stretchy, so if I want to do a bun, but I'm gonna try not to do buns because sometimes they're too high up and then it gives me headaches. Or if I want to do like a low, like put all my hair back, I can use these. So that's what I normally use these. So these are the hair accessories that I normally carry. So I always have a pen. I just have this pen next to me, but I always pack a pen just in case I need it for any writing purposes. You never know. I always have a pen. Alright, something else that I also have is this lip balm. I would honestly take any brand. There's no like specific, but this is one that I recently got as well. I went to store for, and the worker was like, "Oh, this is a really good balm. It's really hydrating." And I got into it, and I got influenced and I bought it. But this is the Sephora hydrating lip balm. I'm actually wearing it right now. I will say it is hydrating. They didn't lie about that. It is hydrating. And that just reminds me, I need to find my mini lotion. I do have a mini lotion that's probably a little smaller than this. That's also something that I'm going to carry. Sunglasses. So I can't bring myself to pick two. I definitely won't need one with my prescription. I only have 2 sunglasses that have my actual prescription. So sunglasses, this one I chose this one because this has my newer prescription. 2 thing, just check it out. But this is these are cute, and these will actually match with one of my babies. So it's actually 2 of them or 3. So these I'm taking because they also have my newer prescription. And then I'm going to take some non-prescription ones. This I got last year from Vince Camacho. And I think I only wore it like once or twice and never wore it again. But they're super cute. And they give me bougie vibes. So I'm definitely taking those. You can never have nothing. Now I'm on the fence if I want to take a 3rd pair. Is that a little bit much if I take a 3rd pair? These, I don't mind. These I'm probably going to take for the pool or something like that. So I don't care if I really see that much. And then same thing with these, but these are cute and I recently just got them and I really want to take them. I got other sunglasses, but these are really cute. So I might just take all 3. Don't come at me for that. Alright, and lastly, something that I want to take, but I'm still like, I don't know if I want to take it. I just bought it and I'm like, I do want to take it though because I feel like it does help. I know last time I took a neck pillow, it did help with my neck when I was falling asleep. So I think I want to take it. I just recently got this from Hello Kitty. It's so much softer than the other one that I currently have. And that's why I got it. And also why I got this too, it doesn't shift because it has a little buckle. So you can clip it to your neck if you need be. But it's so soft. But I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm trying to knock out on the flight going and hopefully coming back. Because that's also an issue sometimes when I try to take a nap and then the person next to me is moving or whatever. So, but I'm just crossing my fingers that I can catch a nap. So, this is it's really pretty. I'm not gonna lie. I think I showed it in my pack with me video, my maintenance video. It's like these cute flowers. So, and it's really big too, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it can really tie my hair. Just so that my hair can stay neat. And, because sometimes I do, like, I'm all over the place with my hair on the seat. And you know how these seats are not that dirty. So, at least, are not that clean. Like, yeah, that is all from my carry-on. There might be some little miscellaneous things I need to take, like vitamins and stuff like that. But I didn't feel the need to share all that. But this is majority of what I generally pack, aside from, like I said, my laptop, because I decided we're not doing the laptop this time. Really minimalistic, and even this is not that minimalistic because as a YouTuber, I'm still carrying, like, you know, my filming equipment. But other than that, let me know what you guys normally carry on. Now I always carry snacks, but that might have to go in somebody else's bag. Probably my sister's. I'm probably gonna have her carry my snacks. So I'm not gonna lie to you, because I don't have space for the snacks. I don't think I will have space for carrying any snacks. But yeah, that concludes the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Next subscribe button, so I'll see you guys next video.